Hey folks, this is Jeff Gray at Firkins Jeep Chrysler Dodge in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this beautiful 2016 Dodge Journey. Only 34,000 miles on it. It is the Crossroad edition, so it's got a lot of nice extras on it. You can see it's got the smoked out alloy wheels. It's got the roof rack, it's got leather, the flat screen radio. It also has power driver's seat. Very nice vehicle, very clean. It's also all-wheel drive. That's a little bit rare here in Florida, so if you're looking for an all-wheel drive, I've got one. For more information on this vehicle, if you have any questions, please call me directly. Again, my name is Jeff Gray. You can reach me at 941-748-6510. Thanks. Talk to you soon.